Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We're going to go out to the lake, Lake Okanagan, for Appies with Chappy by the lake. But before that, we're going to get a little bit of takeout right here in Calgary and take it back to my Tiki Bar. But first up, we're going to make a cocktail. I call this an apple strudel martini. So I'm going to make enough for 2 martinis. So I got ice in my martini glasses so they're nice and chilled. 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And 1 ounce of Bacardi 9 spice rum. And then I got 1 ounce of Smirnoff apple flavored vodka. And then we're going to go 2 ounces of Dr. McGillicuddy's apple pie flavored liqueur. All right, we'll give that a little shake up. And we're just going to strain that on into my martini glasses. And then I have some fresh apples. They've been soaking in acidulated water so they don't turn brown. All right, and that is my apple strudel martinis. Coming up next, we're going to get a little bit of takeout. And then we're heading out to Lake Okanagan, so stay tuned for that. All right, we're back at the Tiki Bar, and I got some takeout from the Lazy Monkey, so we're going to check it out. I got 2 dinners for 1. Here's the first dinner for 1. So I got the fried shrimp. Of course, it comes with the sweet and sour sauce, and then mixed veggies with fried rice. And here is number 2. Got the dried ribs. This time I got the steamed rice and mixed veggies. And it looks just amazing. Huge portions for the dinner for 1. So Mookie and I are going to go chow down.
Labradors. Yeah? Do you like carefully bringing back dead ducks? Yeah? That's your job. Amazing. That is amazing. That is my favourite job. That is my favourite job. Jack Russells. Yeah? Do you like like shooting down rabbit holes up.
Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thank you very much. Get the hell away from me, Mookie, you little hound dog. Come on now.
Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. For appetizer today we have Cuban sandwich potato skins. Now this is, what's your name? This is Doris, substituting in for Mookie. For Appies with Chappy by the lake. See here how I made them. Alright, today we're doing Cuban sandwich potato skins. Normally you would just do the skins and I would use the middle to make a potato salad or something, but I only got the 2 potatoes, so we're just gonna have really meaty potato skins. Just gonna cut them in half, almost like a baked potato. So we'll have 4 potato skins. And then we'll start off with a little yellow mustard just as a binder. And I think, what are we gonna do? We'll do the pickle. Just enough pickles. And then we'll go, I think we need more binder. We'll do the cheese next. I think normally you use Swiss cheese in a Cuban sandwich. This is just shredded mozzarella. Okay, and then I got some lovely pulled pork. Not too much because we don't want it to, or we want it to be structurally sound, so we don't want to build it too high, but that's some good pulled pork. All right, I'll give it a little kiss of salt. And then I got some nice Canadian back bacon, or as we call it in Canada, ham. And that's hopefully going to hold everything in place. All right, we're gonna get that in the oven. We're gonna bake it at 350 until everything's melty and warm in the middle. We need a drink to go with our Cuban sandwich potato skins, so I'm gonna make a Blackberry Moscow Mule. I took some nice top shelf vodka and I infused it with blackberries. So we're just gonna build this in my nice copper mug. Any Moscow Mule, you need a good copper mug to keep it nice and cold. Now I got ice, and I don't know if you can see this as well, but I just froze some various fruits in my ice cubes here. I was gonna do blackberries, but it actually I used it all in the vodka. So we're just gonna do a quick Blackberry Moscow Mule. So I got the juice from half a lime. go my good infused vodka. Do a good 2 ounces of that. And then we're gonna finish it off. I actually found some blackberry ginger ale, so we're gonna substitute that for the ginger beer. And I got a nice blackberry and lime as a garnish. And that's a Blackberry Moscow Mule to go with my Cuban sandwich potato skins. And that concludes another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.